When you run your own business, keeping track of receipts and invoices is essential. But entering each one manually takes time. Copilot AutoCreate in Sage SoleTrader helps reduce that effort. It enables you to upload receipts and invoices, then automatically creates transactions based on the details it finds. That means less manual data entry and faster day-to-day processes. In this video, we'll show you how it works in the Sage SoleTrader web app. From your draft transactions, add a transaction here. Then choose money in or money out, depending on the type of transaction. Select Scan Receipts or Invoices, then click Next. You can add up to 25 files at a time. To do this, drag and drop your files here, or to manually browse to the files, click Select Files and choose the relevant ones. Alternatively, you can attach the documents to an email and send them to this email address. This is unique to you, and we'll use the information on the attachments to create draft transactions for you. Uploaded documents are listed here. If needed, you can remove files before continuing by clicking Remove. To continue, click Create Transactions. The transactions created are listed here, showing the supplier or customer, the amount and date of the receipt. You can review each transaction here one by one, and once saved, this moves them to your completed transactions. Alternatively, you can close this panel and review them within the Draft Transactions section. This helps you keep your records up to date without entering everything manually. As you start to use Sage Copilot more, it continuously learns and evolves, recognizing key information and improving accuracy. This helps speed up your processing while still keeping you in control. Save time and stay organized with Sage SoleTrader.